Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this absolutely spectacular Jaguar XK140 factory MC. Has overdrive, beautifully restored, a two-owner car from new. Hop on in, we'll tell you all about it. All right, so here we are in our Jaguar XK140 MC. Spectacular black exterior over this beautiful red interior. Has a black folding soft top. Full fresh paint, fresh interior. Car's been restored to very high standards. I'm going to do a little cold start here. Turn the key on, activate the cold start. She fires right up. Oil pressure's coming up. We'll warm her up and we'll be back to you. All right, so we have a little temperature in our XK140 MC. Again, the car was really just fully restored. We did a good freshening to all the fluids and filters, get it running. We have a few things to sort out here, the tach, the horn, but it really does feel good. All the lights work. Brakes feel good. Really is a lovely motor car, as they say on the other side of the pond. Sold new on Long Island. The original owner kept it until 2016, I do believe. Where the second owner bought it, did the restoration, and then traded it to us. He had a few things to finish, as I said, from his restoration. He never even drove the car. He's a large collector, loves Jaguars, traded several cars in to us, this being one of them, on one very nice Aston Martin. And you can just tell the way this car feels and drives and looks, how well it was done. A few little finishing things to do. We did a bunch of stuff already, but a little bit of sorting and she will be better than new. We're going to come up here to the S's and we'll do some drive-bys for you as well. All right, here we are in the S's. Good responsive steering. Really lovely motor car. Not a creak, not a rattle. Again, just goes back to how well the restoration was done. Being a 140 MC, obviously upgrades, dual exhaust, cylinder head, larger carburetors, more horsepower, and it also benefits from an overdrive, 4-speed with the overdrive. It's quite striking without the bumpers on it. We got stem-mounted Lucas fog lights in the front and really add to that period look. So we'll come here and we'll do some flybys for you. So, hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely did. Even though it's chilly out, you really don't feel cold at all in a motor car like this. This is one of those cars where everybody looks at you, thumbs up, people flashing the lights. People really enjoy seeing these on the road. And it is quite a rewarding experience as well. Imagining driving these cars when they were brand new back in the day, and then to relive it, which is probably in a much nicer condition than it was new. Spectacular black paint job with with the full red leather interior. It's got a beautiful black soft top. Great thing about the Roadsters is that it fully folds up behind the seats. You don't see it at all. Really makes for spectacular lines on the Roadsters. So we're going to come up here. We'll put her through her paces one more time for you guys. All right, so here we are. Going to come up to the farm road here. We'll put her through her paces one last time for you guys. And for me as well, and Jack. It really pulls well, feels good. Great sounding, great looking car. Great color combination he chose. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I definitely did. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment as well if you'd like to. And we'll catch you on the next one.